Very good evening, everyone. Here I've today come up for a big announcement from your own Jain Tutorials. Yes, सही सुना आपने, एक big announcement लेके आया हूँ. Before I start with the announcement, you must be aware that your own Jain Tutorials is now almost 23 years old. In the span of 20 to 23 years, more than 15,000 students have been mentored here. And बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी लास्ट 1.5 year में to go online so that quality education can reach the masses. And आप ही लोगों के सुझाव को लेकर के we launched the official YouTube channel of your own Jain Tutorials just 1 month ago. And believe me, with the support and love of you all, we have crossed our first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. And I'm sure we are going to reach newer heights with your love and support in the coming days and years. So keep blessing us. Now, this year, Class 12, ISC and CBSE councils have come up with a revolutionary announcement for the students regarding the Class 12, yes I repeat, Class 12 board exams, which will be conducted in two parts, Term 1 and Term 2. Term 1, which is going to be multiple choice question based on the chapters like fundamentals of partnership, admission of a partner, issue of shares, ratio analysis, would be completely multiple choice question based, and that too in the month of November or December. ISC का dates already आ चुका है, dates of CBSE are awaited, maybe very soon will be coming with the dates. These multiple choice question based exams are actually more difficult because here the student needs thorough knowledge of the entire subject, right? Whether it's economics even or commerce or business studies, right? To help the students, we have already posted a number of videos relating to the subjects on YouTube. A few were live sessions as well, and you must have gone through them. After these sessions, we got a number of requests from students across the country for a crash course to help them in the next 1.5 months. जिसमें एग्जाम होने वाला है कि सर क्रैश कोर्स कराइए. We succumbed to their pressure and we decided to launch a crash course by mid of October. But in the meantime, जैसे हमारा ये पहला milestone achieve हुआ, we decided to come up with a scholarship test. Yes, सही सुना आपने, scholarship test for the crash course, so that the students can get scholarship, and that to up to 75% on the crash course fees. The first scholarship test will be conducted for accounts, yes, on 10th of October 2021, this year, right? 10th October. Note down the date, for which registrations are open. The registration link is given in the description of this video. The last date for registration, yes, noted down, is 5th October 2021. But to ensure sincerity of participation by the students, we have kept a nominal registration fee of 100 rupees, which can be paid online through Paytm, PhonePe or GPay at 98312 55762. After filling up the registration form, you need to attach the screenshot of the payment so that your registration is confirmed and you can appear for the first scholarship test of accounts on 10th of October. The scholarship test dates for economics, commerce and business studies, yes, वो भी आने वाला है, will be announced very soon. Stay tuned to the channel for further updates. For any further queries relating to the scholarship test, you can reach us out at 70033165571. I'll again repeat, 70033165571, or you can mail us your queries at jaintutorialsonlineclasses@gmail.com. I seek maximum participation from you all so that you can take the utmost advantage of this scholarship, which is up to 75% of the crash course fees for each of the subjects. So, love to see you in the scholarship test.